In this video, let's have a look at the top 4 expected features of iOS 17. But before we get started, make sure to follow and subscribe to iOS Droids. With that being said, let's begin. The first expected feature is about the live activities of Google Maps or Apple Maps on the lock screen. This looks beautiful and this is going to be very handy. The next expected feature is about the split screen. Currently we have split screen mode only on iPhones, but with iOS 17 we can expect the split screen mode on iPhone as well. And the next expected feature is about the landscape mode. So the landscape mode on home screen is supported only on iPad as of now, but with iOS 17 we can expect the landscape mode on iPhone as well. And the next update is about the wallpapers. Currently, if you want to change the wallpapers, we go to the lock screen and we get this option for changing the wallpaper. But with iOS 17, we can get a grid view for changing the wallpapers. You can select, edit or delete the wallpapers directly from here. So these are the top 4 changes that are expected with iOS 17. So whenever iOS 17 is out, I'm going to make a dedicated video on that. So make sure to follow and subscribe to iOS Droids.